Hello kids, welcome to our AVS class. So today we are going to continue the lesson that we revised in our previous class. So in our previous class, I showed you a video in which we had a revision of your first standard EVS lesson, our country. So this is the extension. ये उसके आगे का class है. So this is the extension of previous video. So see here, this lesson is about our country and our state. So this is the map of what? This is the map of our country. And what is the name of our country? India, right. So let's read more things about our country called India. India is my country. India is my country. We are all citizens of what? India. We are all citizens of India. India is our country. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. So you can see here, there have been some divisions. These different color places you can see are states. These are different states. Can you tell me in which state you live? Do you live in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh? Where do you live? Can you tell me? Yes, you live in Karnataka. We are living in Karnataka. So our state is what? Karnataka. So there are, how many states are there? There are 29 states and each state has a capital. Can you see this? What is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. Then you can see here Gujarat, Gandhinagar. So the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. So this is how we recognize states. You can see different states here. How many states are there? 29 states. Example, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and many are there. Many means 29 are there. So these are our states. And which is our state? Where do we live? We are living in Karnataka. We are living in Karnataka. So Karnataka is our state and what is the name of our country? India. So how many union territories do we have? 7. New Delhi is the capital of India. Just now I told you that we have capitals for each of the states. We have capitals for each of the states. Now for India we have one capital. For our country we have one capital. And what is that? It is Delhi. New Delhi. This is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. This is very important. Remember that. We have 29 states, 7 union territories and our country's capital is New Delhi. What is that? New Delhi. Then, India became free country on 15th August 1947. This is, we have finished in our revision class, but I will tell you again. India became free on 15th August 1947. So, we celebrate it as Independence Day. India became free country on 15th August 1947. Before that, British people were ruling India for many years. Before this date, British people were ruling our country for many years. So, India became free from their rule. When did that happen? That happened on 15th of August 1947. So, Independence Day is on 15th of August. Then when do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. Okay, on 26th of January we celebrate Republic Day. Ganatantra Dina. Ganatantra Divas. Independence Day, Swatantra Dina or Swatantra Divas. So what do we do on this day? We come to school, our principal do flag hoisting, we sing our national anthem, we participate in parade and we perform on many patriotic songs. So, look at the map of the India and find the state you live in. The name of your state is, as I have repeated again, Karnataka. Karnataka is the state we live in. Where do we live? We live in Karnataka. The name of the capital of your state is Bangalore. As I told you, the capital of our state, the capital of our Karnataka is Bengaluru. Names of two states neighboring your states are आंध्र प्रदेश एंड महाराष्ट्र. Neighboring state means हमारे स्टेट के आसपास जो स्टेट्स हैं आजू बाजू में, those are the महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So these are all, and also Goa. So these are all the states which are attached to our, which are neighboring to our state. Okay. So you can write any two. You can write either Goa, you can write Maharashtra, you can write Telangana, you can write Andhra Pradesh, you can write Tamil Nadu or Kerala. So these are the neighboring states. Now name the governor of your state. Governor of Karnataka, Vajubhai Vala. The name of the chief minister of your state is Yediyurappa. Now name the national flower of our country. What is this? This is lotus. What is this? This is the national flower of our country. Which is the national flower of our country? Lotus, Kamal. So this is the national flower of our country, lotus. So what do we need to do? We need to color this. So this is like your homework. You need to color this picture, this beautiful picture of lotus. And what is it? It is national flower of our country. So what is this? This is national bird of our country. Which is the national bird of our country? Peacock. This is national bird of our country, that is peacock. So you need to color it with all the beautiful colors which are suitable for this picture. Then color the national emblem of our country. So this is the national emblem of our country. So what is written here? Satyamev Jayate. So this is the national emblem of our country. So you need to color it. So this is some information which is related to our national emblem. So let's see what is it. Do you know? क्या आपको पता है? The national emblem of India is a close replica of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. The national emblem of India is a close replica of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. The wheel in the center of the abacus has 24 spokes and it is known as Ashoka Chakra. You can see here the wheel in the abacus. This is the wheel that we are talking about, and it has 24 spokes. You can see here it has 24 spokes, and it is known as what? It is known as Ashoka Chakra or Dharma Chakra. There is a bull on the right. You can see here there is a bull on the right. This is the right side and this is the left side. There is a bull on the right side and a horse on the left of the wheel. So this is the wheel, Ashoka Chakra or Dharma Chakra. You can see a bull on the right side of the wheel and horse on the left side of the wheel. The word Satyamev Jayate has been written below. It means truth alone triumphs. Satyamev Jayate. हर बार सत्य की जीत होती है. In English we can say truth alone triumphs. Then the Ashok Chakra is also seen in the center of our national flag. This Ashoka Chakra you can see also in our national flag. Okay. So this was about our lesson called Our Country and Our State. So I hope you have understood it. I hope you have done the revision that I had shown in the previous class. So you need to watch that video also, and you need to watch this video also, and you need to do what? You need to color these pictures. Okay? And also read this information. So see you in the next class. In next class we will learn about festival fun, where we will learn about different kinds of festivals that we celebrate in our country and what is their meaning. Okay? So see you in the next class, and till then what you need to do, you need to study well and take care.